Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Verify Airplane 4 is updated to patch 1.07 so lobby mechanics match. Grab the boarding pass, wrench, and pocket mirror from your inventory because they enable initial interactions. Once equipped, spawn at the main terminal and move right toward gate C3. This opens the first trigger. You'll be checking a wall panel, interact, and hold the action button for 2 seconds to avoid a failed prompt. This fast start prevents backtracking and unlocks the next sequence. You now handle the more intricate steps. Inspect the panel and memorize the 4-symbol pattern because it maps to the hidden keypad layout. Then use the pocket mirror to reflect the overhead light into the panel. This reveals the keypad, so make sure to angle it precisely. Once visible, enter the symbol sequence slowly. Mistiming triggers an alarm cooldown. Next, rotate the wrench on the vent latch to access the maintenance shaft. Enter immediately to continue without resetting the puzzle. You're at the finish line. Approach the lobby vault and input the exact sequence you uncovered. Accuracy matters because the vault uses strict matching. Once it opens, grab the lobby secret item and immediately scan it with your boarding pass to register it. This prevents inventory desync. If you encounter a lockout or unresponsive keypad, do not force inputs. Instead, wait 60 seconds, toggle the nearby power switch to reset the panel, and repeat the mirror reflection step to restore the keypad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.